Hello, everyone. Today I will share with you the software to share articles into all the groups on Facebook you want. First, you will scan all the groups on Facebook according to the keywords you enter into the software and export them to an Excel file. Then, you will copy the UIDs of the groups and put them back into the software. The software will automatically share the articles that you have pre-installed into the software into the group UIDs you just scanned. You can also share the live stream to these groups. In addition, the software also has a feature for accounts to automatically share articles on their personal wall or to all Facebook groups they have joined. We hope this video will help you. If you're interested in the software, please contact me via Telegram, which I pinned below. Thank you for listening. Please subscribe to the channel to learn more about software.